First responders got to the scene in no time. Even though the accident didn't seem so bad, you may have wondered why the fire engine is on the scene of a minor traffic accident. I say minor because the car was off the road, but no major injuries or anything. So why is the fire engine there? The engine places itself in between the accident victims and the traffic. This is to offer both protection and privacy for those in distress. There are so many moving parts at an accident scene and first responders out on the road, so please be careful when you drive by an accident. First responders are putting their safety at risk, being out on the road like that for others, and would appreciate our patience when driving through.